Hey guys, it's Mia, and here I am with another video. So, I have hair extensions, they're tape-ins. Honestly, I'm so happy to take them out. It was the worst 3 weeks, hair-wise, I ever had. They were very uncomfortable, and yeah, I could get into it later about a whole bunch of stuff, but anyhow. To remove them, I'm using coconut oil. I'm just rubbing that into my scalp and massaging to loosen up the ones that are already loose. And then I'm going to rinse that out with hot water so the tape loosens up even more. And yeah, I had to repeat that process about 3 times to get all of them out. So after I have clean hair, I'm just going to take some Eco Styler gel and section my hair into 4. Right now I have 2 ponytails because I want a middle part. And then I'm going to take those 2 ponytails and split those in 2, so I have 4 sections in total. So the Eco Styler gel is just to kind of make my hair a little bit sticky so it's easier to braid, and also keep all of my sections as clean as can be. But for these braids, I'm not really going to be that precise because I kind of wanted a more goddess looking braids, whatever. Anyway, here are my 4 sections. Kind of sloppy, but whatever, it's whatever. Here is my braiding hair, and you can see that they're lined up from small, a teeny bit of hair to a little bit more hair, because at the bottom you'll be using more hair at the bottom of your braid. So I'm just going to start out my braid, yeah, like you would any normal braid. And then, just to save time, I'm only going to show you how I did 1, so the other 3 are finished. And if there's hair poking out, I did that on purpose because I'm going to curl those after. Anyway, so I'm just going to continue braiding my hair down, adding the extensions in. And towards the top, I add a piece of hair every pass through. And then as I work my way down, you'll see me start using less. And that's only because I kind of wanted to build more thickness towards the front and then leave it kind of thinner at the bottom, only because I didn't want to have really thick braids at the bottom, because I was only going to wear this 2 days max. If you want to wear this hairstyle for more than a couple of days, like if you want it to last 2 weeks, I was just using a lot more hair than I have. I'll just speed this up. I'll show you what I'm doing slowed down though in a minute. So you braid like normal, and then you just hook in an extension underneath and then just continue braiding. So you'll have 2 strands that tie into the braid. This looks complicated, but it's actually the most simple part. The hardest part is getting your sections even. That's the most frustrating part for me, because I can't really see the back of my head because I don't have a lot of mirrors hanging up right now. Anyway, so yeah, continue braiding all the way down to your nape, and then if you want to keep adding hair for thicker braids, you can, but I didn't. Also, when you're braiding, you want to make sure that you're pulling the hair through each time, because it will turn into a tangled mess if you don't do that. You can see at the bottom I'm kind of getting tangly just because of the type of braiding hair I'm using isn't the best quality. So that's why that's happening, but no worries because I'll snip that off anyhow. Like I said, these braids are kind of messy, but that's done on purpose. And that piece right there, I'm gonna curl that. So once you're done with your braid, you can secure it with a rubber band. And now I put some perm rods in because I want that goddess braid look. So some of my real hair will be curled in those perm rods overnight. And these ones, the synthetic hair, I'm just dipping into hot boiling water so it will set those curls. And that's how it looks after I take the perm rods out. So now it's time to decorate these bad boys. So I'm taking some metallic thread I got at the craft store. And I was gonna do this to each one of my braids, but I ran out of time. So I actually have, what are they called? Hair, beads. Little thingies to put on the ends of my braids to match, but I wanted to do this to each one, but I ran out of time. I'm just gonna take some mousse and kind of smooth down those flyaways, but I'm not gonna be too worried about it because I like the messy look. And yeah, I'm done. Whoop whoop. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, super quick and stuff. And if you try it, send me pictures because I want to see. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.